The new lesson is control and coordination in organisms, especially in animals and plants. In this lesson, you will study about the specific conditions, specific ways that how the animals and plants can capable to show some responses against the environmental changes and other conditions. Especially means whenever the organism can be cope or and coordinate with their environment and some other organisms, that is called their coordination. Especially we can see the human being can capable to show the some coordinations, especially when we learn about the human brain and nervous system and neurons. But we have to start the topic from the coordination in the plants. Means, as you know, they are stationary body, means they can always still at their places, means the plant cannot be shows any specific condition. They do not have any nervous system, they do not have muscles, they do not have the sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, etc. But still they can capable to respond some various environmental conditions or some stimuli. Means the different changes, means basically the stimuli like the light, gravity, water, touch, chemicals, and some others. Means the plant fact can show the different ways, the different types of movements, that is called their coordination in the plants. Means they can capable to show their responses, their movements. Means the one type of movement it depend on the growth. Means in which the plant can capable to grow. Means against any stimuli, and other one in which they cannot show any movement, means they can still at their different places according to their environment, means they cannot capable to show any growth. Means so this, on the basis of these two types of movements, the plants can capable to coordinate their responses against the environmental stimuli using their hormones. Means they can capable, still they do not have the nervous system, but they have the some hormones that are known as phytohormones, right? In later you will study about them in details. But these phytohormones can capable to make the plants to show different types of chemical coordinations, means they can capable to show their movement. In the plants, the phytohormones can work differently as in animals. Basically in the plants there are two ways through which they can capable to do show their movements, their effective and their coordinations. Means like number one, that is called effective, the growth of the plant and the results parts of the plant show movement. Means they can capable to grow, means the different parts of plant can grow, means that is its movement. And second one, the affecting the shape of the plant cells by changing the amount of water in them, means the target changes resulting in the swelling or shrinking. Means whenever you have learned in the transportation of the plant topic, you have learned that when the water can be goes through the roots to the apical parts of those plants, through which they can capable to change, that lots of changes will take place in the plants. So these two things, means affecting the growth of the plant and the affecting the shape of the plant cells, these can do two types. So the plant can capable to show the different types of regulations, means they can show the growth and the movement in the plant in regulated by both external and the internal. Means plants can be show the coordination or regulations by the external environmental as well as the internal harmony. So we have to learn about the external stimuli, right? Means whenever the plants respond to various stimuli very slowly by the revealing growth. Means they can be shows the growth. As you all know, the plant can capable to show growth slowly and slowly and slowly. Right? So the generally the responses of the plants are various stimuli cannot be observed immediately, or in other words, the effect of the stimuli on the plants is observed after the considerable in most of the cases. For example, Chui Mui. Everybody familiar with this Chui Mui. That is called a touch-me-not plant, or basically it is known as Mimosa pudica. You have to learn. Just be prepared. Be alert that this name is asked so many times in the board examinations. Means that is called a Mimosa pudica. Right? It is a very sensitive plants against the touch. Basically, whenever anybody can touch, it can show its leaves can be closed. Now, plant movements in the plant, they cannot be show the movement like the animals. The plant generally can show the movement very slowly. Means they can show move very slowly, and their movement cannot be easily seen by us without some using instruments. In higher plants, the fixed of the substratum means the roots means generally they can suppose generally plant can be always fixed. All the plants can be fixed in the soil with the help of their roots, so they cannot able to move just like us. Therefore the movement of their is organs only. Their organs only means they cannot, the whole plant cannot move, but their organs can capable to move, their different parts can capable to move. So the plant movement are largely brought about by the some definite internal and external stimuli. According to the nature the stimulus, the movement may be spontaneous, means is continuously, that is itself, that is called the autonomic movement, and whenever it is induced, that is called the paratonic movement. And these class plants movements can be classified basically into two categories. Number one is nastic movement and tropic movement. Means this autonomic and the paratomic movement can be again classified into two categories, that is called the nastic movement and the tropic movement.